Want fresh whipped cream but can't be bothered with all this? What if I told you all you actually need is this? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to turn simple cream into perfect whipped cream with just a jar and some shaking. Seriously. This is the easiest recipe in the world. You need one thing, very cold double cream. You can also add a little icing sugar for sweetness and a drop of vanilla if you're feeling fancy. And of course, a clean, cold glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Simply pour your cold double cream into the jar. Don't fill it more than halfway. You need that airspace for the magic to happen. Add your sugar and vanilla if you're using them. Now, screw the lid on tight and just shake it. Shake it vigorously up and down for about 60 to 90 seconds. You'll hear the sound change from a sloshing liquid to a softer thudding sound. That's how you know it's working. When you barely hear any sound, you're done. Now, open the lid and look at that. Perfect, thick, beautiful whipped cream ready to serve. No electronics, no whisks, no fuss. It's an absolute game changer for a quick dessert topping. Spoon it over some fresh berries, a slice of cake, or just eat it straight from the jar. I won't tell. If this trick just blew your mind, please hit that like button and subscribe to Another How To Guru for more amazing kitchen secrets.